Hey, what up? This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I give you information and tips about cooking instant noodles. I've made over 3,000 unique varieties for review, and definitely more on top of that, so pardon me. Today, I have something that I think you're gonna like. It was previously on one of my annual top 10 lists. I want to say in 2013, 2014. What we have here is Mama green curry flavor instant noodles from Thailand. I had the absolute fortune and joy to be able to actually visit this factory. I'll tell you a little bit about that while it's cooking. But yeah, I love green curry. And you may ask, why do you love green curry? Well, let me count the ways. It's green. I like green things sometimes. And it's curry. I mean, I have yet to find a curry that I don't like. Now, I should say that I've had curry prepared in ways that weren't to my liking, but I've had the same curry variety prepared in ways I did enjoy. So, poorly made curry, not a big fan. Well-made curry, alright. Oh, we broke. Well, here's part of the noodle block. Dropping it in. And dropping it in. And we are taking this one today off the heat. It is going to steep. I'm going to follow the rules. Miles is shattering away in the background happily. Somebody asked me once, what's an easier way of opening a sachet of instant noodles without using the little perforations? Thought that was kind of funny. But I mean, hey, you know. Scissors can be unexpected friends. Anyways, my sister and I were guests of Thai President Foods back in 2015 in May. And now let me tell you, May of 2015 was so hot. How hot was it? It was so hot the locals in Thailand were saying, man, it's hot. And they were, and it was. Ugh. It was so hot. But it was amazing. The year before, I visited Malaysia with my wife, Kit, and I figured since Malaysia and Thailand were literally, you know, they're next door to each other, I was like so close to there when we went to Langkawi. I figured, they're probably going to be about the same kind of thing, you know, probably not a huge difference. Huge difference. And it was just amazing. People there, they call it the land of smiles, and they're not kidding. People are really warm and friendly over there. Just felt very welcome and very just happy. It was nice. Very nice. And got to visit the factory where they make these noodles, they make their tom yum, they make them all. And guess where the factory's in? Or at least, I think it was where the factory was in. It was in Sriracha. Like Sriracha. Yep, as it turns out, the original Sriracha sauce is from Thailand. And I've been to the town where I'm guessing it's named after. It's either a town or a province, but I want to say it's a town. I've seen on the back of computer monitors, made in Sriracha, Thailand. So, but yeah, I've been there. And it's hot. And it's really neat too because their factory's set up for tours. So you can go and walk in this area that one side they're packing the noodles, and you can see all the ladies sitting on the line like putting the noodles in the sachets or in the packets. It's funny. I mean, I've seen where and I threw it away too. But I've seen where the packages come out of, you know. So different from here, and so wonderful too. Oh, we need some mung bean sprouts. What am I thinking? Miles, Papa's blabbing and not doing what he's supposed to be doing. We'll throw that on the heat for a minute. But yeah, and got to go there and met the R&D team and got to try like this green curry and then have it against one of the girls there that worked in the R&D department. She made like, what did she make? She made curry and I believe tom yum and what's it called? Mo-fi tofu. I can't even remember. I feel so bad. It's the pink package, pillow pack of Mama noodles. Yentafo. Tom yum. Yentafo, tom yum, mo-fi. Mo-fi, tom yum, yentafo. Yentafo also translates to young tao fu, which is basically tofu. You know, it's a tofu dish. And I guess lots of people really like having it over there because they can't eat meat or this meat or that meat. So, yeah, young tao fu. Super good. And it was like, I hate to say it, but I like the instant version on some of these broths better than yours. I felt really bad about it, but just smiled, you know. It was like, okay, cool. Thank you for being so understanding. That was quite an experience. And then, where else did we go? Went on a trip on the River Kwai. Went to the Mekong Delta. Went to the War Memorial at the River Kwai, which was absolutely it's an experience I'll never forget because I was traveling with the Mama Noodle people. And I got to go. They have distributors meetings every year, or every so often, before the big Thai Fex food show, right? And so I got to go and hang out. They were like, "Do you want to go next year? It'll be the USA people. Right? This year it's the European people." I was like, "European people. I want to check it out." So I went with the European people, and I found myself at the War Memorial for the people that died, building the bridge over the River Kwai. You might have heard of the movie. Basically the same kind of thing, but actually people die, not actors don't seem to die. And I was talking to a guy from England and a guy from Germany. So you've got like an American, an English, and a German chatting about World War II. It was like, wow. I was like, dude, you guys really, what do you think? I mean, this is pretty fascinating. What are the odds? They agreed. It was pretty interesting. And also got to visit the rice noodle factory. And that was, you want to talk about hot. Yeah, that place was hot. There were a couple times the heat kind of was a little much for me, I will admit. Probably shouldn't have been pounding so many beers either, but that wasn't a good beer plus extreme heat equals dehydro. My feet swelled up and everything, and yeah, it wasn't a good scene in that respect. But I had so much fun, you know. And what else? Let's put this guy here. Let's try to arrange these all pretty like. Here, you can see what I'm trying to do. Trying to arrange it all pretty like. And yeah, it was really something I was amazed by. Especially the rice noodle factory. It was interesting watching things come out of there. Oh, and we did what was it? Like Iron Chef Thailand, and one of the people who was on Iron Chef Thailand was there. And I was one of the judges. That was kind of neat. So yeah, I'm like, wow, really? Cool. And yeah, got to drink a lot of coconut milk right out of the coconut, or coconut juice, I don't know what you'd call it. But it was good. Oh boy, was it good. And I'm going to say that's probably good right there. Now, one thing that you'll probably notice is that I've added shrimp to these. When I did it in, like I said, 2013 or 2014, I did use shrimp. And I had a couple people go, dude, you're supposed to use chicken. But honestly, this works really good. And if you don't like shrimp in your green curry, that's okay. Use chicken. I personally adore shrimp in green curry, and I also was impressed with the shrimp in Thailand. Those river prawns are just gargantuan, meaty. Yeah, just really good stuff. So, anyways, so yeah, if you folks from Mama Noodles ever happen by my YouTube channel and are checking this out, how's it going? Thank you again so much for bringing my sister and I over. We're absolutely lives changed by that visit. Culture is everything to me, and travel is everything to me. It's something I would have never been able to do unless you guys invited us and brought us over, so thank you very much. Anyways, so yeah, cool. With that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have you done any traveling and tried any instant noodles in other countries, things like that? Write something below. Write something below if you have anything at all to say. If you have some requests, if you've got requests for me to review something, ask. That's all you have to do. So far, I believe I've filled almost every request. There's one that I have to go get a pack of it to do, but I think other than that, I've done pretty much everything. I'll look back at that. Yeah. If I haven't filled your request, ask again. Do that, because then I'll just put the list up. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Rtare, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you enjoyed one of these videos. They're fun, they're fantastic, they're free. The only thing I ask is that you subscribe and click the notification bell, and then you will get more of me in your mail or notifications of me doing things than you can handle. So do it to it, enjoy, and this has been Hans, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every single day. Have a good one, and bye.